Hello student, standard 3rd, geometry. Open the page number 88. Previous video, I teach you plane figure. Triangle, square, rectangle, circle, how many sides are there, how many vertex are there. Okay. Now, page number 88. Question number 2. Name the following. First one, a closed figure with three sides. A closed figure with three sides. Which figure this is? Triangle. Which figure? What you call this figure? Triangle. A closed figure with four sides. Square and rectangle. Square and rectangle. C1. A closed figure with no vertices, no side. Which figure? Circle. Which figure? Circle. A letter of the alphabet that is closed figure. A letter of the alphabet that is a closed figure. Which figure? All of you seen our last videos? Yes or no? Which figure will you use in alphabet? I teach you. Sorry. Which figure? A letter of the alphabet that is a closed figure. So you know na circle and alphabet O. O is also circle. Understand? Okay. Observe the adjacent figure. Fill in the blanks. Name of the points inside in the figure. Point A and point B and point B. Name of the points that are outside of figure. Q, P. Point Q and point P. Name of the points on the figure. R, Q, S. Point R and point S. Okay. Now, solid figures. Solid figures. Cube. See here. This is a cube. How many sides are there? How many sides? 12. See how many? You call this side here edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many edges? 12 edges. See, this is your edges. You call these lines edges. Okay. How many faces? You keep the box this type 2. Okay, you keep the box this type and this type 1, 2, 3, 4. You also keep this type and this type also. Means 5, 6. How many faces are there? 6 faces are there. And how many vertex? Sorry. How many vertex there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many vertex there? 8. Vertex means what? Where join the two lines. Understand? Understand now? Cube have how many faces? 6 faces, 12 edges and a vertices. Okay. Faces means what? How do you keep? जैसे आप रखोगे, जिसमें रखोगे जिस टाइप, उसे फेस बोलते हैं. Cuboid. Cuboid also same. This is your cuboid. How many is there? Edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Understand? Okay, and edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many edges are there? 8 edges are there. Understand? All of you understand now? Now, cylinder. Cylinder means what? Your tiffin box, your dustbin. Okay, now see. This have only two flat surface. You keep this one's type and you keep this one type. Okay, and one curved surface. There are no vertex, no edges. Here edges is here, line is here. No, vertex is not here. No vertex, there is no edges. Understand? Now, see. This is your curved surface. When you keep this type, this go outside. This one move. Where this one move, that type you call curved surface. Curved surface. Okay? Means cylinder have two flat surface and one curved surface. One curved surface. Now, cone. You have birthday cap na? You use your on birthday cap na? That time you keep this one type. Okay. Only one flat surface, and when you throw that one, they move. Okay. Means there is a curved surface one, but there is vertex. Two lines join there? No, because of in this side there is a some different वहाँ पे कुछ तो किया होता है ना उन्होंने, उन लोगों ने डिजाइन वगैरह. So don't they join there. Okay, now fifth one, spear. You know spear means what? Circle. You play with ball na? They keep on one type? No. When you throw, they move and move. They go outside. So that have only one curved surface. Understand? Now, see. Question number first. Observe this solid figure. Fill in the blanks to build their properties. Use real object to have a better understanding. Now, first one, which figure? Cube. You call this figure cube. How many flat surface? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many flat surface? 6. When you throw the box, that time they move here and there? No, na? Okay, so that have no curved surface. How many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Understand? How many vertices? 8. This is a which figure? Cone. Flat surface 1, curved surface 1. Vertex is there? Vertex is there? No. Cylinder have. This is figure you call cylinder. They have two flat surface. Two flat surface. One is a curved surface and edges and vertices no there. Okay, this is a cuboid. Cuboid. Why you call this cuboid? This is in a rectangle shape and this is in a square shape. Which figure is in a square shape? You call that cube. And which figure in a rectangle shape? You call that one sorry, cuboid. Cube and cuboid also same. Cuboid also have flat surface 6, curved surface 0, edges 12 and vertices 8. Next one, which figure? Not there a circle, that one is a sphere. You call this in geometry sphere. Okay, how many flat surface? 0. Curved surface 1, edges 0, vertices also 0. Understand? Now, who am I? I have two flat surface, 0 edges, 0 vertices. See here, I have two flat surface, 0 edges, 0 vertices. Which figure? Cylinder. Which figure that one? Cylinder. Now, I have 6 faces and 12 edges. I am not a cuboid. I am not a cuboid. Which figure? Cube. Not a cuboid means cube and cuboid also same. So write there cube. I have one flat surface and one curved surface. Which figure? Cone. I have just a curved surface. Sphere. I am shaped like a ball. How many edges and vertices do I have? Who am I? All of you know? No edges. No vertices. Who am I? Sphere. Understand? Match solid shapes with their surface. Write their names. 6 flat surface. Who have? Cuboid have. Who have? Cuboid have. Write there cuboid. First one's answer. A1. Sorry, A1. You want here C. We match here first two, but you want here answer with the A to D. C. A, B, C, D. Where is A, B, C, D? This one what? Cone. Cone have only one flat surface, one curved surface. What is answer? Third number, cone. Its answer is a cone. Next one, B1. Only one curved surface. Fourth one. Only one curved surface. Which figure this one? Sphere. Which figure? Sphere. C1. I have 6 flat surface, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Which figure? Cuboid. Next one, two flat surface, one curved surface. Which figure? Cylinder. Cylinder. Understand? Now, name of the following solid figures that has two circular faces. Which figure? Cylinder. Six equal faces. Cube. One flat surface. Cone. No flat surface. Sphere. Understand now? Now, write four things have the shape solid figures in of the following place in the classroom. Write four things that have the shape of solid figure in each following places in the classroom. Chalk box. Okay. Then bottle. Bottle in a sphere. Bottle in a cylinder. Chalk box is in a which shape? Cube. Then tiffin. Tiffin also in a cylinder. Tiffin also in a cylinder. Then which? Board. Which figure? Board. Board also in a cuboid. In the kitchen, in the bedroom, in the living room. You find out and write there. Okay, you find out and write there. Length of a segment. Length of a segment. How to draw the length? See here. We draw here 6 centimeters line. Segment. How to draw? How to measure? I teach you. Okay. See here. We want here 6 centimeters distance line segment. Okay. Segment AB we want 6 centimeter. How to measure you? See, here is in your ruler 0 is there. You point there and then where is the 6? There give the 1 dot and join there this line. And write there A, B 6 centimeter. Understand how to draw? Now, segment CD 3 centimeter. Okay. First point give on 0 and then second one point 3 and draw their line and give that points the name C D 3 centimeter. Okay. Segment CD is a 3 centimeter. Now I draw here one line segment. Okay. Now we want how many centimeter this line? How do you rate? See, first point give 0, then second point give on which last number? 7. This is a 7 centimeter. Give the line M N and write there segment. How to write? And always write in the capital letter. Segment MN is a 7 centimeter. Understand? All of you understand now? Now page number 91, exercise. Measure the distance between the 2 points and write it in the box. See, P and Q. How many centimeter? First point on 0, second point on 7. We want here draw to line. How many centimeter? 7 centimeter. Okay, measure the distance between 2 points. RS 9 centimeter. See how to 9. First one point on 0, second one point on 9. How many centimeters? That one? 9 centimeter. C1. First one point keep on 0, second one point on C. Where is that one? See there. That is a 5 centimeter. That is a 5 centimeter. Understand? That is a 5 centimeter. Write down there. Answer 5 centimeter. XY also same. Write first one point on 0 and last one point where is a 8. How many is there? 8 centimeter. Draw this segment AB 5 centimeter. First one give 0, then 5 and draw the line A, B, and how many centimeter? 5 centimeter. Segment AB is a 5 centimeter. Segment PQ. First one give 0, then last one on a 7 and draw the line PQ is equal to 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. C and D is your homework. C and D is your homework. Today complete their geometry topic. Okay. Next one is a pattern. I teach you next video. Okay. Thank you.